Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Hope yous are all well. Thanks heaps for tuning in. Today we're riding with Mad Will. I'm pretty excited. Got my suspension done by Ride Dynamics in Brisbane. See what it's like today. There's rain forecast for later on during the day, but not this morning, so we should have some nice dry roads to start with. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, maybe consider doing that, and let's get into riding.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in as always. I thought I'd elaborate a bit on the front suspension because I've read in a few forums that a few blokes are having problems with their front end. This may be the problem. I ended up taking my bike to Ride Dynamics. That guy's a whiz on suspension. He does all suspension, adventure bikes, everything, motocross, but race bikes was the bulk of the bikes that were there. He straight away read me tyres and said I had too much preload, not enough sag, this, that. It sort of blew me away. I was just sort of going, right, okay. And he set me bike up, but I was telling him how the front end of mine was just bottoming out and pushing out away from me, and it was handling like an absolute hairy goat. It was kicking up on the arse end, and it was shocking. Wasn't confident expiring at all. It was nerve-wracking, to be honest with you, when you come into corners. But what he found was, this might be the problem on your bikes, guys, worth a check, is the right-hand fork was 80mm low in oil from the factory, and the left was 10mm high. He said they worked together, so in total the forks were 70mm low in oil. He adjusted the forks, put new oil in it, and mate, it is just totally a different bike. I'm still trying to get my confidence back up on the bike because it was nerve-wracking going into corners. The whole arse end would kick up, and because the whole suspension was set up wrong, and the front end would be dive. It was like, hold on, let's see if we can get around this corner. Hold on, when you're riding. So definitely worth checking, guys. If you're having problems with your front end, more likely they didn't put enough oil in it from the factory. But righto, I hope you're enjoying the video, and I'll chat soon. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks heaps for tuning in as always. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, maybe consider doing that and giving the video a like and leaving a comment. Hopefully you got something out of the suspension, guys. Definitely worth checking out. Mine was shocking. But anyhow guys, as always, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye for now.